Yeah.
Whoa. We're gonna take my front spacers off and then lower my car too.
And to get it on the hoist, Chris gotta come off.
Yeah, bro. I just cut myself. I'm gonna get fucking tetanus now.
Yeah, I cut myself on my coilover. On the pinky.
Yeah.
Definitely getting tetanus.
Ah, gee, bro.
Gee.
Explain to me what is happening.
What the fuck?
Film that, man.
That's obvious.
What the fuck is that?
Get a straight on angle of that. Alright, I'm taking the spacer off because as you just saw, with the spacer I can get like 2 threads engaged. Look at all the threads on these studs, man. Fucking Lordco lugs are shit. Look at this. Crazy, man. Alright. So I'm gonna squeeze this off.
Some coilover adjustment?
No, it's finally going low. Being cool.
Hot diggity dogs.
Okay. Yeah, we had some hot dogs. Ben's having hot dog sweats. This looks fucked. Ready? God. This looks fun for you guys. How is that becoming a wrenching again? The newest drop?
I can't have nice clothes.
Well, you just use the same clothes for working on cars. It's not that hard. Need some grinding. Oh, these fucking idiots.
I have a question for the viewers.
Dumb? Dumb.
Do you guys do your own laundry? Or does your mommy do it for you?
My mom did it.
Your mom does it?
Yeah, man.
Interesting. I do my own.
Yeah, but you probably got crusty socks. How?
What are you
You're
doing?
raising it?
To drop it down.
Oh. Going down an inch?
Yeah. Maybe like an inch in the front and like an inch and a half in the back or something.
Well, the back's currently lower. Yeah, so like maybe just an inch all around. I don't know. Okay. And then you gotta do some grinding.
Yeah, look, Ben did. Look, fucking.
That looks so much better than mine does. And then you have to take this down.
No, it clears already.
What? No, but have you bolted it on?
I did bolt it on.
Oh, fuck.
Probably because you had 14s on your car periodically.
Ben shaved the bracks. Ben lowered the whip.
Oh, you shaved them.
Yeah, so we could take the spacer out.
It looks so nice on camera.
Ben lowered the whip.
Was anything supposed to go here?
We'll see how low this is.
Like, why is it?
I have my own safeties on. They just
You want to put them over?
they didn't save me.
Ben should be wearing safeties.
That's like double bagging.
You want the safeties? No, that's okay. I'll start grinding this side. What's happening, bro?
All those lugs are fucked.
Why?
I don't know.
What happened?
What's that?
All your lugs and studs are fucked on this side. The other side's fine.
It's because the spacer is fucking short. Actually, I only have one. This one's fresh. That was good teamwork.
Pineapple. Nothing beats pineapple.
That little spray there.
What's the best bubbly flavor?
Peach, man.
Peach? What's your favorite?
Peach or pineapple, for sure. You know what the worst one is? Blackberry.
You don't like it?
Oh, it's bad.
Oh, the berry one, like
Yeah.
the purple one, it's junk. That's the worst by far.
Have you tried that one?
Yeah.
You liked it? I felt like I was being given cough.
Yeah, it is kind of cough therapy.
They were the cherry cough syrup.
Yeah.
It's not my favorite, but you know, it's drinkable.
You know what my favorite bubbly flavor is?
Create bubbly flavor.
Oh, we were talking about this earlier. I was thinking coconut peach has probably never been done before in any flavor.
Ketchup flavor.
That would be pretty cool.
Yeah.
You do ketchup flavored bubbly?
Like a savory.
Yeah, man. Get out of here.
How are you? Flavored bubbly.
I don't know. Watermelon.
Ooh.
That one already exists in the U.S.
Really?
Does it?
So does coconut.
Why don't we have it?
Because Michael Bublé's fucking us.
Are we importing bubbly? Dude, bubbly's a Canadian company, no?
What colors are the cans?
I think so.
For watermelon.
Watermelon flavor.
Pink and green.
And then coconut's white.
Yeah. And then they have the bubbly flavored bubbly.
Like just
really?
water. You're gonna have to pry it off my ass. So the boys just got done lowering Noah's car.
Look at that bony cock.
Colby's drawing. We're gonna have to blur that out. Sorry, viewers. We're getting ready to drop this.
Here, you watch that piece of wood line out. Did you pull the lock out?
You know, that's a Darth Vader tip.
Colby's super into the cock drawings.
Fitment. Why isn't it low?
Yeah. I was just thinking that too.
This side's pretty low. It'll be better when it's on the ground fully, probably.
Yeah, it's just in Thailand.
What do you think, Noah?
What?
Oh,
Let's go.
Did good?
that's Thailand.
You're still kind of rocket shit. Man, I got it out.
Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that.
Check that out, boys.
Let's take on HGTV when they do the installation with the purple spray.
Homes on homes.
Oh yeah. That's so satisfying. Cool.
How long do you think Bomber's gonna be here?
Good vitamins.
Do you want to roll back past the bump thing before you put it on?
Yes, for safety.
Cool, man. That looks better.
Looks good.
Is it
Okay.
higher on this thing?
I'm scared.
Thank you, man.
Fuck.
Man. Mine's totally jammed, man.
Pull the door towards you. I don't know what
You're stuck, man.
you fucked
Just
up,
roll the
man.
car forward a bit. Man, we're trapped. Oh, you can't steer. Yeah, cool, man.
Take a gander at this.
It looks kind of naked.
Right?
Especially with that wheel and stuff.
Yeah. Should I leave it skirtless? Should I leave it skirtless? Comment down below.
I think it looks a little naked.
Yeah, but it's also kind of cool. Should I just fully copy him?
Yeah.
Should I paint it cream? And then paint my bumper silver?
Yeah.
And then put like a little bit of like a...
And then crash your car and then get a black one.
Yeah. I'm gonna crash this thing. And then I'm gonna get a black one. Put flares on it. And put my long chance on it. And then I'm gonna do NASR with ITVs.
Oh, that's cool.
That would be cool.
Skirts or no skirts?
Skirts or no
Comment
skirts,
down
man.
below.
I feel really hot. My ear's really red.
It's the hot dogs, bro.
Dude, something's happening with my body right now.
I'm getting a vision.
That's so Raven. That's the
She's always like that. She's like chilling. Whoa, Rico! I just had a vision.
And then Corey in the background is like, can you feel it?
He's like, cheese.
Can you feel it?
You guys don't even know
You
about
watch
living
Corey
in
in
the
the
White
White
House.
The wheels look so new.
I wonder why. Yeah, this video is 4 days later, bro. I came back.
Why is this shit not vibing, man? It doesn't want to go on.
Are you gonna put them on the drive home?
I don't know. What are we saying
No,
now?
this is or no skirt.
The skirt looks better when you have fat.
Yeah.
I don't. It looks for Noah.
Respond to Dorsey Dory on Instagram right now.
Cool mod, bro.
You ducked, bro.
Oh, bro. Did you try to throw it at me?
Yeah, and then you ducked and went straight where your head was. Where's my 1,000?
You okay?
Where's my 1,000? No.
She does not live for the one?
No, fuck off. It's 2711.
2300.
No.
I'm just
My
joking.
weed.
They lowered my car, got a fire, livery, dude. Cube's gonna be mad at us.
Send us liveries. Send us liveries, man.
Yeah, come on, man.
Come on,
Do they watch
man.
the videos?
Probably not, but I hope so, man.
Yeah, anyways, we dropped this ugly bitch like an inch today, dude.
They're cool, man.
Bro! Bro, how thick your car is about to make me act up.
Okay,
Suddenly
Like,
Colt
share,
just really
subscribe.
slammed.
See you in the next one, dude.
peace, bro.
See you later, man.
The boys will try to